What does Dance Marathon mean to you?
Hope.
Riley talks about how hope happens here. And that's because of people like you who give up your time, who give up your money, who give up your energy to support kids that you'll never meet, you'll never know.
The fundraising that you're doing, the dancing, the taking time out of your busy schedule to come and support Riley and to support us is amazing. We can't thank you enough for that. You will never know how much that means to us.